Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS test. This is Sani Abnali, your examiner. I'll conduct your speaking test right now at Practice Hobiganj. It has 3 parts. I'll instruct you for each of the parts. Okay? May I see your ID?
Sir, where is it?
Give me a moment. Could you please spell the candidate name?
13
13
06
06
04.
04. Okay. What's your full name?
My full name is Mohammad Tariqul Islam. You can call me Tariq.
Okay, Tori. For part 1, I'll ask a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. What do you do in your free time?
Basically, I do a lot of things in my free time. Basically, it depends upon the what much free time I have. So if I have much free time, I love to play, and if I have leisure free time, I love to read a book or any article on internet.
Okay. Where do you live?
Basically, I live in a village with my family member, and it is this house within 4 room and 2 bathroom.
Okay. Let's talk about sports. Do you like sport?
Yes, I love sport, and I am a huge fan of cricket, and cricket is my favorite game.
Is there a lot of sport on television in your country?
Yes, there are a lot of sport in the television program. If I talk about there is such as football, cricket, kabaddi, badminton, and as I mentioned before, that cricket is my favorite sport. Not only my favorite sport, it also the nation favorite sport, cricket.
What sports do children normally do at school?
The children normally do the basic sport like football, cricket, but in school time, school children love to play football together. So I think football is the famous game in school children among these school children.
Are there many sporting facilities near where you live?
No, I live in a village, so we don't have much facility of game, but we have a ground there we can play together like football or cricket.
Okay. That is the end of part 1. Could you please spell the candidate name?
611.
611. Okay. What's your full name?
My name is Anjuman Akhtar. You can call me Anjuman.
Okay, Anjuman. For part 1, I'll ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka, and it is located in Bangladesh, um, and it is city of Bangladesh.
Okay. Do you live in a house or a flat?
Okay. First of all, I live in a flat. It is situated 5th floor, and there are two bedroom and one dining room and one kitchen room, and they have two balcony and two washroom.
Okay. How long have you lived there?
I have 4 year live in, and this is I comfort my flat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I prefer my home because it is natural. I feel natural environment, and I decorated my own style.
Okay. Which is your favorite room?
My favorite room is my own room
because it is decorate my own style, and I printing my own color. It is pink. I like it is.
That is the end of your speaking.